If you're someone looking for extra income or you live paycheck to paycheck, starting your own digital marketing business could be the perfect solution. With the Legacy program, this opportunity is made even easier as it's specially designed for beginners who want to build a profitable business with minimal time investment. The beauty of the Legacy program is that you can get started right away, working just 2 hours a day. Whether you're a full-time employee, a stay-at-home parent, or a student, this program allows you to work around your existing schedule, giving you the freedom to take control of your financial future without sacrificing other commitments. Even better, the profits you make are 100% yours, with no hidden fees or commissions. You may wonder, but I don't have experience in digital marketing. Can I still succeed? Absolutely. The Legacy program was created with beginners in mind. You don't need any prior experience or technical knowledge. The program provides comprehensive, step-by-step training on everything from attracting your first clients, running effective digital marketing campaigns, and scaling your business for long-term success. Through the program, you'll learn how to leverage the power of social media, email marketing, search engines, and other online tools to help businesses grow. Digital marketing is in high demand, and more companies are searching for skilled marketers to help them navigate the online world. This means endless opportunities for you to land clients and grow your income. What sets the Legacy program apart is the full support it offers. You won't be left to figure things out on your own. You'll have access to a community of fellow marketers, expert advice, and ongoing support to guide you through any challenges you might face. Plus, the training is designed to be simple and straightforward, so even if you're not tech savvy, you'll be able to follow along and see real results quickly. So, go to my bio for free info.